What's the meaning of absence? Absence. 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 Absence is the state of not being present. It can refer to the physical absence of a person or thing, or the mental absence of someone who is physically present. Absence can be caused by a variety of factors, such as illness, travel, or work. It can also be a symptom of a more serious condition, such as depression or anxiety. In some cases, absence can be beneficial, such as when it allows someone to rest or to focus on something else. However, in other cases, absence can be disruptive or harmful. Briefly, absence is the state of not being present. It can be physical or mental, and can be caused by a variety of factors. Absence can be beneficial or harmful, depending on the situation.